What is a pointer? A pointer is a reference to a piece of data or a function, defining call by reference, and implementing dynamic data structures such as linked lists and trees, just to name two examples. Pointers are another important feature of C language. A pointer is a variable which contains the address of another variable. We can have a pointer with any variable type, for example int, double, char, and float. There are a certain number of reasons to use pointers. Pointers reduce the length of a program and increase the speed of execution. Once a pointer variable is declared, it can be made to point to a variable by using an assignment statement. Before a pointer initializes, it should not be used. If you use pointers, you must know the two operators. They are the ampersand operator and the asterisk operator. Once we assign the address of a variable to a pointer variable, we can easily access the value of the variable using the asterisk operator. First, we will see the ampersand operator. The ampersand operator is also called the reference operator. This operator is used to determine the address of a variable. The ampersand operator can be used only with a simple variable or an array element. The %u is one of the format strings used to print memory address. Memory addresses are unsigned integers. Now that you have learned about the reference operator, let's discuss the dereference operator. The indirection or dereference operator gives the contents of an object pointed to by a pointer. It can also be remembered as the value at address operator. But please note, you cannot assign the address of a short int to a long int, for instance. Now we'll see how to declare a pointer variable. Pointer variable is declared like a normal variable. Let's take a look at the syntax. Data type, asterisk, pointer, name. Here, data type indicates what type of data is to be stored in the pointer variable. And asterisk pointer name is a pointer variable which should be preceded with the asterisk symbol. Let's have an example. Double, asterisk, pointer. Here, double is a data type and the asterisk pointer is a pointer variable. Here is an example of a program for a pointer. In the sample code inside the main function, we declared a pointer variable called asterisk ptr. And another variable is called a, which contains 10. Next, we assign the address of a variable a to ptr. Then print the value of variable ptr, which denotes variable a. So we'll get the output as 10. After that, we print ptr, which contains the address of a. And then we modify the value of ptr to 20. Here the variable a value is changed to 20 because the variable ptr is pointed at the address of variable a. Then we print the value of variable a. To verify the example, compile the code using Alt F9. When it's finished, click on the OK button. Then run the code using the Control F9 shortcut key. Here's the output. Here's a tip. A pointer can be used with arrays, structures, functions. We'll discuss these in upcoming lessons about pointers with array. Arrays in pointers. Pointers in particular offer an effective manner to treat arrays. Indeed, as you will see, the idea of an array is simply a disguised use of the pointers. In fact, the identifier of an array is equivalent to the address of its first element, because a pointer is equivalent to the address of the first element to which it moves, so it makes sense that they are the same concept. Look at the following example to store and extract the elements. In the main function, we declared a pointer array variable called ptr. This is another array variable which also holds 5 elements, then an integer variable called I. Here we show a text message, enter 5 integers. Then we generate a for loop 5 times. Each time we need to input an integer which will be stored in the array. In this line, we assign the first location of the array to the pointer. Then we execute another for loop for the assigning array's elements to the pointer variable. Here's another for loop which displays the value 1 from the pointer. To see the result, compile the code using Alt F9. When the compilation is done, click on the OK button. Then run the code using Control F9. Enter the 5 integers, one by one, and see the output. Now you can store and seek values by using pointers with arrays.